How would it feel to be getting paid out passively just like this while you're sleeping, while you're on your mobile device, while you're hanging out with your families, possibly even watching movies, guys? Well, I'm going to show you a brand new website that is going to pay you out passively with little upfront work. By the end of this video, I'm also going to show you my #1 recommended method on how to make money online with YouTube, guys. So stay to the end of this video so you can actually know exactly how this is done. So let's get started with today's money making method, because I'm going to show you how you can start to make money just like this inside of your Express crypto account passively. So let's get started with this method. So this is going to be the website right here. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away making some money. So now the first step you need to do is actually get your Express Crypto ID. So this is mine right there, and you have to do this auto claims. So in order to do these auto claims, you need to do the short links. In order to do that, guys, all you have to do is click right here, earn auto claim tokens, click on that bad boy, click on short link wall, and you can see that just a couple of minutes of work, I already have over 5,000, I believe, 4,164 tokens, and this is going to work for 12 hours. So you can see right here, just by doing one short link, you're going to earn around 400 tokens, auto click or auto tokens, in order to make this passive. So it is super easy and simple to do, guys. So we're doing 2 of these. I'm going to already have 800 tokens. That's going to give me some passive income on this account. So again, the link's going to be down below, and this is how simple and easy it is to start making some money. I did all of the easy ones. I already have 4,000 auto claim tokens, guys. So let's go back over here real quick. So let's go home. Once we go home, you can click down here and choose of any of these cryptocurrencies that you want to start to make passive income with. Just select them, and either you have 2 options: either click on start auto faucet, which you're gonna have to leave the tab open, or start on the offline mode and then having this run passively without having this tab open, I believe. So I haven't done the auto offline mode yet because I like to have this website open and running. So this is a new website that can give you some passive income inside of your Express crypto wallet, and I believe this is not running at the moment. So let's go ahead and run this so I can show you that this is actually working and 100% real. So let's select the tokens real quick that we want to start to earn, which aka is money. So I'm going to select XRP since it's going to look like a lot, ADA, and Tron. So let's just select those real quick. Click on start auto faucet, and there is multiple ways you can actually earn auto claim tokens, but I've seen that short links are the best way to earn quickly, fast, and easy. So let's click on start auto faucet. It's going to refresh the page and take some time since I am making money with different websites and different other methods. So now on this page you have to choose your boosts. So each time is worth 1 actual token. So if you do this one, you're going to go through your whole amount of tokens quicker. If you do the 4 times, you're going to go kind of, a bit slower. 3 times is kind of really slow. 2 times is like, just going 1 token at a time. So it's not really that much. So it depends on how long you want this to run passively. So I like to do the 5 times whenever I'm doing this actively. So whenever I'm around my computer and I'm ready to start to earn more money and more tokens, I'll just run the 5 times and just do short links as I'm actually on the website earning more tokens. But if I want to go to sleep, or if I'm about to go to work or go spend time with my family, I would like to just do the 4 times, 3 times, or 2 times to make it go even slower. So since it's already around 10 o'clock at night, I'm just gonna go ahead and run this at a slower pace. So let's just click on 3 times. Let's click on set boost. Now it's gonna run 3 times or 2 times as slow since I had it at 5. So we're just gonna set that boost to 3 times real quick. Set it. Now it's going to set it to 3 times. Now I can go to sleep, and this is going to run passively at the next refresh. So you can see every minute this is going to start to send me out some more cryptocurrency. So let's refresh the page on Express Crypto really quick so you can actually see that this is working. So let's come down here, and there he goes again. Another whole section of claiming some free crypto. Now in the next 20 seconds, you're going to see with a boost of 5 times, it's going to change to 3 times. So we got 14 seconds and around 10 seconds now. So look, you have pay to click ads, you have tasks and surveys, dashboards, toss games. So that's like a little gambling, all faucet lists, and roll game. So that's another gambling one. So I like to do short links by myself, or like, just It's easier and fast to do, guys. So you can see that since I changed it to 3 times, the 5 hour changes into 8 hours now. So that's going to be throughout the whole night that I sleep, and in the morning I'll just do the short links again, and then do it at 1 times if I'm going to be doing something throughout the whole day, so I can come back the next day or at nighttime and do the short links and just make this keep running passively, guys. So now since we have another auto claim, let me see if I earned even more tokens or more money passively. So let's go down. Let's open up this Express Crypto. I already refreshed it, and I believe we have more. I'm not too sure if this is it, but we can wait the next 17 seconds and show you that this is still working at a 3 times speed. We're gonna get less tokens or less money, but it's gonna run longer. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let the page refresh. Now it's sent it over. It might take like 2 seconds in order for it to actually hit our accounts. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 actual tokens there. We have 3 right here. So let's refresh the page really quick, and boom. So this is actually this one. I was looking at this, but we're actually playing with this one right here, guys. So it did work. We have 3 tokens there. So this is working passively along with the other ones I'm using at the moment. So this is how I'm going to start to build my account fast and easy and passive, guys. Have you ever wanted to create a video just like this that went viral, like 5 facts about coronavirus, mind-blowing obstacle illusions? Keep watching this video, guys. I know this looks like something that a lot of people talk about, but this is something that can actually work for you. Look at this. Photos that caught people cheat or being jealous. Things students did to pass exams. So look, if we go inside of any one of these videos, so here's the volume. So
like you're falling out of bed and you're sound asleep. What do? You jump straight up and you wonder what.
So as you guys can hear that volume in the background, that is something that my team is going to create for you. So that is going to be something my team is going to be able to create for you for a really cheap price, guys. They're going to be creating the videos for you. They're going to be creating the actual thumbnails for you. They're going to actually be doing the voiceovers for you. They're going to do everything that is needed to make a video on YouTube for you guys. This is going to be the easiest and simplest way to make money right now on YouTube. And there's niches. You can do this in niche. You can do it about dogs. You can do it about crabs. You can do it about cars. Anything that you can think of, guys, my team is going to do it for you. And this team is actually working with the bright side. This team is actually working with the richest. So you can see all of these videos right here, guys, are what my team can do for you. Exactly the same, guys. Look at this. Warren Buffett. I think this is Joe Biden. Look at this. Dubai's 22 billion city of the future. You can see all of these videos are pretty much the same exact thing as this right here. This is my channel, my test channel. So you guys can come in, check it out, and see if you actually want to be a part of this YouTube community of actually having my team work for you guys. So it says what you didn't know about Russia that you should know. And look at this right here, guys. Watch. This right here is my YouTube course. I don't really want to call it a course. I want to call it like a, I guess, program or just something that is going to be given to you guys. So this is what my team will do for you. My team will do the script writing, the video editing, the voiceovers, and the thumbnail. And all you have to do is just upload the video and start to make money with YouTube. Now, it all depends on you guys. It all depends on what videos you want them to make for you and what videos could go viral and what videos don't go viral. So it just takes patience, time, and I'm going to show you the introduction to the course. Watch this. Personal contact information, channel and branding, best niches, how to get views organically, how to grow fast, a little secret, how to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers fast, a secret method, and that really is a secret method right there, guys. How to outsource everything without my team, how to go viral every time you upload, what to do or what to avoid when making a YouTube channel, what I would do if I started from scratch. Here is my team. Let's take action and make some money, guys. So this is going to be my results. This is going to be my I guess my program on showing you exactly how you can make money on YouTube for using my team without even using my team, guys. Look, it says right here how to outsource everything without my team. So guys, this is something I've created for you. a really cheap price at the moment, only $25, which is a really good investment, I would say, to get some information, some knowledge on actually making money on YouTube, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.